Mommy, you okay? Mommy, you okay?
Yes.
This month of hearts, feel the joy of falling in love with these
Calvin, are you okay?
only
Yes,
here
okay.
on Filipino on Demand.
Is Ensaymada good? You like it?
Yeah.
Your bread?
I'm upset.
Hmm?
I'm sad.
You like your bread? Delicious? Ang punas ka mo na.
Don't love someone if you're not ready.
May sarili na akong buhay ngayon. Hindi ka nakasama doon.
Because being single helps your heart get steady.
Makikita mo, mas maswerte ka pa rin kaysa sa kanila.
It gives you time to think, to find peace within. Because it's time to love yourself and finally be happy.
Pwede rin pala akong maging masaya. Kahit nag-iisa.
Because it's better being with no one than to be with the wrong one.
Ang pagkakataong mabuhay, hindi dahil sa pag-ibig mo, kundi dahil mahal ko ang sarili ko.
Let Miss Maricel Soriano teach us. And let love help us grow. Experience it with Cinema One Global.
Ano kailangan mo?
Naliligaw na po yung kaya ba?
Nagliligaw ka na sana ko? Push that button para makuha ang iyong gusto.
Fast forward!
Hoy, lumabas ka rito!
Hey!
Pasensya po sir, hindi ko po kasi alam kung ano nangyari.
Hindi mo alam? Sinabi mo.
Parang may suspect.